There has been a special delivery. We are at my oldest son's home working on his outdoor space. So if you are interested in seeing what we are doing today, just keep on watching. A company reached out to me by the name of Olilawn. They are sponsoring this video to share a 10 by 12 hardtop gazebo with a double roof. This gazebo arrived in 3 boxes. All of the pieces are sectioned off in each box as to the steps to build this gazebo. In the hardware box, you will find the instructions, the assembly manual, as well as all of the nuts and bolts that you need. We are jumping right in by placing the covers to the post. And the covers will cover these brackets that will be bolted to the concrete. Hubby is installing the bracket for the roof. It is recommended that you have a 5-person team to assemble this gazebo, but the majority of this assembly was done by my hubby and my son. You will need a level, a rubber mallet, a Phillips screwdriver, a drill, and an Allen key. Of course, you will need a ladder. It is also recommended for gloves because some of the pieces are very sharp and the gloves will protect your hands. And here are the beams completed. Before we install those beams, we will attach the curtain brackets to them. What I love about this gazebo has curtains and netting included. Now the beams will be attached to the post, and also a curve feature. This curve feature also stabilizes this gazebo and serves as a decorative piece. It is essential to place the gazebo on a level ground and not less than 6 feet from any obstruction. The next step is to build the support for the roof of this gazebo. They have placed or laid the frame of the roof on top, and right now they will start bolting the roof down. Now that the support beams are in place for the roof, they are placing the double roof bracket on top. Now the fun really starts, placing the metal roof. Once the metal sheets were installed on the roof, there are covers or beams that go on as well for support. Adding more support beams for the roof. I am loving this because we live here in Florida and we are known for hurricanes. So this makes me very happy to see, and it makes this gazebo very sturdy. And this is how it looks up close. Very detailed, very sturdy. More metal roofing panels being installed. Now these beams that you see being installed, they cover up the seams of each metal panel on the roof. So the roof is completed. Now they are bolting the posts to the concrete, which are provided, but we are using Tycon bolts to make it even sturdier. 4 bolts per post. Now that the gazebo is complete, we're going to clean up and install the hook that goes into the roof of the gazebo, as well as install the curtain and netting. Now my daughter and my grandson and I jumped in to help with this. We are installing the netting of the gazebo first. Each side is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4 for an easy install. Tie backs are attached to the netting as well as the curtains, and you attach them with Velcro. Now my oldest son is so excited to start bringing in his outdoor furniture. And I am too. And of course, he had to give that pose to let you know that it is done. But you know, Mama had to put her touch on it. And I'll do that tomorrow. We're just going to sit back right now and enjoy. We absolutely love this gazebo. This is our second home. I'm claiming my son's home because we spend a lot of time over here. And this is a space that we will truly enjoy spending time in as a family. Information about this company and this gazebo will be listed in my description box down below, as well as a discount code for all of my blessed family members. This project took us, with my son's work schedule, 4 days to complete at 2 hours per day. But this is the perfect weekend project. So it's the next day and Mama's going to work to decorate this gazebo. I'm going to do it very simple for him. I shop my home for everything. As you can see, I'm kicking and I'm fighting with a lizard. This lizard did not want to leave this chair. I am kicking, I am swatting at it, and he was stubborn. Hubby came in and swatted at him too, and he finally got him off of the chair. So that's what you see here. I left it in because this is real life, especially here in Florida with the lizards. They're everywhere. I am going to decorate this space for my son using things that I already had. I'm bringing in the color turquoise, something to liven up this gray and black. He loves gray and black. I love black and white, but you need a punch of color to liven up these two colors. Adding 4 pillows. These are actual pillow covers that I purchased from Amazon, but I'm loving the color. And I'm going to leave them here with him, these turquoise pillow covers. But these black ones are mine and they're coming back home. A tip, bring in your indoor pillows, because I don't know about you, I remove all pillows, whether they are indoor or outdoor. I take them in as soon as I go in from my outdoor space. This Blessed pillow is also a pillow cover that can be found on Amazon. I'm giving his coffee table a good cleaning, and we're going to style this coffee table simply. No fuss. I'm bringing in a tray that I already had. To bring a little life to the coffee table is a floral, which is a vase that I picked up from Hobby Lobby on clearance, and I spray painted it black and added these florals, which are also from Hobby Lobby. And to add more of the turquoise color, I am adding these wine glasses that I've had for many, many years from Dollar Tree. Adding a set of 4. Next, I'm adding our favorite wine, Riscato. It's a red wine. And to finish off the coffee table styling, a candle. And this candle is made of citronella, and it will fight off bugs and mosquitoes. To the side of the side chairs, I am adding a lantern to each side. Now, if he wants later, and we will be styling this area out more because we want to add mulch and different things. If he wants to add plants, we'll do that. But for now, we're keeping it simple. And here is the gazebo decorated for spring in my oldest son's courtyard. This outdoor space, we will truly love spending family time. Well, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. And shop my Amazon store for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links can be found in my description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I will talk to you real soon. Love you guys.